He's a doctor, you should trust him.
It took many years of training to learn such.
Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Today we're going to be doing an accessories haul! I bought a lot of stuff. I need to stop doing this, but the damage is done. I bought a lot of stuff from Hot Topic and Forever 21 and I think Asos. So this is going to be a collective haul. I actually bought a lot of clothing from there as well, including this top. Duh! Oh, look at him. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. But I've decided to split it up into accessories and clothing. So if you want to see me haul this little shirt right here, then check out my video on Tuesday. I'm trying my best to keep a regular schedule of Tuesdays and Fridays. Keeping a regular schedule is not something that I have done well in the past, but hopefully this video will be up on Tuesday for you. But for now, we're gonna do some accessories. I'm gonna start with a one-off that is just really exciting. I could have easily done just an unboxing on just this, but I have so many ideas that I want to get out there that I'm just gonna tack it onto this video. So my husband, my lovely, loving husband that's sitting right here, there he is. There he is. Bought me this for my birthday. Look. Like, you see this box and you're just like, oh yes, something exciting is happening. Irregular Choice is and has been one of my favorite shoe brands since I was in high school. So, embarrassingly, 11 plus years ago. Okay? And I only have one pair from them other than this one because I always want it to be like the perfect shoe. Like if I'm gonna buy from them, I just want it to be like absolutely like the most amazing one because they're fairly pricey because they're so amazing. So I tend to be really picky about the ones that I like, and this one is a little contrary to most of my style, but I saw it and fell in love with it. So box slides open, makes a terrible noise. We got adorable tissue, crinkle crinkle crinkle. You see these amazing like comic book superhero boots. Bang, pow. The heels are stars. They're this red to pink metallic gradient in the shape of an actual star. On the bottom there's this carousel print. There we are. Carousel print that they've kind of been working on. I really want their shoes with the like actual carousel horse in them, but for now we're talking about these, which are beautiful. Try to be as brief as possible because I don't want to make this a whole video, but it has the like comic book sort of like bubbling and spikies and all those different like typical comic book shapes. I feel like these are a really great like autumn winter color scheme, but I don't follow the rules, so I'm just gonna wear these whenever. The lettering is rhinestoned, so this POW with an exclamation point, they have like little rhinestones in it. There's metallics, there's glitters. It's amazing. The soles right here are usually like really slick, so I like to get like a clear shoe grip insole. No, just regular sole, like a shoe grip sole, so I can still see the beautiful bottom print, but so it also doesn't get scuffed, and so that I don't slip and fall on my face. This is like, I want to say 3 or 4 inches right here. and they're just lovely. They got some green stars on them. They got gold, navy, like a pewter gray. We got some like maroony reds. We got a different kind of gold. It's just, these are great and beautiful. One says bang, one says pow. Ta-da! In the future, if you want me to make those their own separate videos, like unboxing videos, let me know. I tend to like to get a lot of content into one video. Like if I had like a couple different pieces that are really cool from like a high-end brand, I would like to be able to put those in together. Like I wouldn't want to do a haul or an unboxing of less than like 3 things. But if you see the value in me doing like an individual video on just one item, let me know. As I've mentioned before, my style is kind of like a mix of a bunch of different things. I'm greatly influenced by like kawaii fashion, but I'm also influenced by like the gothic and the punk scenes. I'm gonna do a whole series of videos on that once I get back to my closet. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of different like styles mixed up into this. We'll start with Forever 21 because there's only 2 things from there. So from Forever 21, I got these little delicate, these gold pieces of jewelry. One is a bee and it is a ring right here, and one is a butterfly. We got this little bee ring, which I think is super cute. Got that Gucci vibes. I might give this to my friend Monica. I'm not sure. I might keep it for myself because she's been feeling the Gucci vibes lately. And my thing is more of butterflies, as you can tell from the tattoo on my back. But this is just a little gold butterfly. It has like 2 layers, so it's kind of a little more 3-dimensional, and a little tiny rhinestone right in the middle. And it's just kind of this laser cut gold material. Looks really pretty in the light when it flutters like that. And that is all I got from Forever 21, so we're gonna move on to Hot Topic. I went on like a PUSHEEN binge, as you can tell. So the first thing that I got is this mug, and it says, "Home is where my butt is," and that is just so true and so me. It's kind of a larger mug. It is like a pastel yellow with white polka dots. We got PUSHEEN here on a little purple couch with a matching yellow and white pillow and the phrase, "Home is where my butt is." Super cute. Here's the packaging. Wow. I got most of this stuff on like super sale, but it says on the bottom here that it's $14.90 as its original price. Going on the PUSHEEN theme, we also got 2 pairs, well, 6 pairs of PUSHEEN socks. This one came on its own. It was $4.90. I think it was less than that, again, because I got all of these things on sale. But it's PUSHEEN attached to some balloons. There's 3 balloons, pink, teal, and lilac. And PUSHEEN is up in the clouds. All of these clouds are like fuzzy. They got some like different texture going on here, and then the toe is like a pastel baby pink. It's a little brighter than like pastel. It's like a baby pink. And then this 5-pack, which it says is $14.90. Again, everything in this haul is going to be less than I say it was, but it has 5 ankle socks. This one is just a stack of different colored PUSHEENs, kind of like color blocked. So this one is lilac with like blue stripes and a pink heart, and then we got blue with pink stripes and a purple heart, and then pink with probably purple stripes, yep, and a blue heart. And then the back of those socks is yellow. Then we got a little PUSHEEN here in like a a mint colored sock with sprinkles on it, and it's like a purple pusheen with a pink heart and teal stripes eating a purple ice cream. We got ice cream pusheens. They're like pink socks with like pink pusheen ice cream cones. And then we got this one, which is just like teal, and all the pusheens are teal. It's just like a whole bunch of them. And then finally, oh, over on this side, here we are. We got another pusheen ice cream. It is a pink sock with 3 scoops of ice cream. We got this teal one, we got this white one with sprinkles, and we got a pink one with Pusheen's face on it on the top. We went kind of sock crazy. So we also got this Tokidoki pair of socks, which has my favorite character from Tokidoki on it, which is Donatella. She has pink hair like me, and all of her little like donut brown coloring is actually this like gold flecked sort of thing, and she's on top of what I'm assuming is a heart-shaped donut with white frosting and sprinkles on it. Then we got some gray and maroon Totoro socks. He's got some flowers and stripes around him. He's cute. Oh, I didn't tell you the prices of these things. $4.90 and $4.90 again. I think that was like a 3 for $10 deal though, actually. And these socks are $6.90, and they are from BLACKHEART. Yeah, these are from BLACKHEART. They are a knee-high pastel rainbow sock. This is beautiful. This one I'm gonna be like layering on top of lots of things. Whenever I know that I'm planning a trip to Japan, I go crazy on socks. So that's what's happening here. We have 3 pieces of jewelry from Hot Topic. This one is amazing and so good. It is this little miniature burn book from Mean Girls on a chain. It's like, it actually has pages. This is actually like a little like probably faux leather cover. It says burn book on it, but this one is $11.90. And then we got a couple things on more of my dark side. This is a T-Rex necklace. He's just this silver necklace of this T-Rex. Babe, what do you call this? The like bones together.
Skeleton? Bones together with the skeleton. This
He's a doctor, you should trust him.
It took many years of training to learn such things.
You guys ever have those moments where you can't think of words like skeleton? It's been a long day.
I'm gonna be honest, I was messing with you when I said skeleton. I thought you meant like some other like fancy thing.
Is there a fancy word for like when they like structure?
Oh, I mean it's a fossil.
Hopefully I wasn't being stupid. Maybe I was. Maybe the word I was looking for was skeleton. But is there a term for when they like put the fossilized bones together and like turn it into this? Like I feel like that's the word. If that's a different word than skeleton, if that's an actual word, that's what I'm looking for. That's the word I was looking for. Post it in the comments. $10.90. And then this like cuff style bracelet from Blackheart that matches something that I bought from Dolls Kill. It is this like iridescent sort of dragon. One side is purple, one side is blue. It's like an Asian style dragon that's supposed to fit on your wrist like this, and I think that he is really cool. He was $9.90 from Blackheart. Just one more piece of jewelry that I got from Hot Topic because I felt like my jewelry game was a little lacking. He is like a geometric golden fox, and he is really cool, really kind of cute. I really like foxes. So that's what he is, and he was $8.90. And then we got a bunch of pins from Hot Topic. So we have this one, which is a pastel rainbow that says sleigh. The cloud underneath that says sleigh is kind of like a drippy cloud, and or is raining, I don't know. This one that is just so true to my life, and it says bury me in pink. It's a coffin shape. There's a little like sassy skull on it, given like the side eye, and it says bury me in pink, which is just true. And then I got this little guy who is Bakugo from My Hero Academia. I love him. He's a little asshole. He's not my favorite character, but he's up there. These 3 patches, I'm pretty sure they were like super duper cheap, but it says that these 2 are $4.90 and this one is $6.90. I think that that's wrong, but I really want to make like an awesome denim vest with like all sorts of patches and pins on it. I've made a couple for like cosplay sort of things, but I want to make one that's like just for me. I got a beret. Berets have been a thing in kawaii fashion for a while, but I've been dreading getting one because I think that it'll look stupid on me. But I thought if I was going to try one, I might as well get one that is fitting of me as a person, and it is this one, which is all black, and it says, "Hello, I'm dying inside." We're gonna attempt to wear this right now, and hopefully I don't look like an idiot. Oh god, bloodbath. How? Well, suffice to say, this looks great on me. Maybe that's okay? And then the final things I got were actually from Asos, and they're not super exciting. It's just these little fishnet sockies. So I got a pair of black fishnet socks and a pair of pink fishnet socks, just to kind of accessorize with things. Alright, that is all I have for you for this Hot Topic Asos Forever 21 Irregular Choice accessories haul. Let me know in the comments what your favorite accessory that I bought today or recently in this haul was. And let me know if you think that I should turn like those big purchases like the Irregular Choice shoes into like focused unboxings of like one item. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.